LinkDrop gives you instant access to over 60 free Firestick apps. But how do you actually install it when Amazon hides unofficial stores? The fastest way bypasses the official store completely, using your Firestick settings and an app called Downloader. First, we need to unlock hidden developer permissions. Go to your settings, click My Fire TV, and select About. Then click your device name exactly 7 times. Now go back one step and open Developer Options. Turn Apps from Unknown Sources to the On position. Even with permissions granted, typing long web addresses with a TV remote is painfully slow. That's where the Downloader app comes in. Instead of searching the web, just open Downloader and type this specific shortcode, 730116. This bypasses the browser completely and forces your Firestick to instantly fetch the LinkDrop file. Once it installs, don't forget to hit Delete on the installation file, so it doesn't eat up your limited storage. With the file deleted, your device is perfectly clean, and LinkDrop is ready to launch. You now have a massive one-click library of over 60 streaming apps waiting right on your home screen.